Do you ever wish you could replace the past, Mitch? Do you guys watching have like, memories that come to you at night that just annoy you and either feel so cringy or so embarrassing or even like frustrating because there's somebody in your life that doesn't want to ask for forgiveness or something annoying like that?
Oh my god, yeah. I mean, having an argument with your partner, or having something a disagreement or misunderstanding, and you just can't get out of your head. It's just like, ah.
I know. We all know that feeling, right? And there's so many times I myself wish I could just go back and I wish I could have said something differently. I wish they would have done something differently. It's like, I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish. And
Yeah, just trying to figure out a way. It's like, I got to figure this out. I don't want this to happen anymore. I don't want to think about this anymore. Why does this keep happening? Why do we have the same things happening to us? I don't want this to keep happening anymore.
yeah,
Right?
yeah. I mean, we've all been there. And that's why we have this channel because you guys know we love Neville Goddard here. And he taught us a mental process that is going to give you instant relief and instant results in being able to replace the past. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, replace. Let's completely reimagine this whole thing. Completely. What's the way I prefer it to be? Like, why can't it be the way I prefer? Well, you know what? It can, right? And what do you do, Steph? I mean, you have some things happen to you. You feel you're not in control, but how do you get in control, right? I mean, we're trying to figure it out. We're trying to get back in control. We're trying to
Yeah.
get ourselves. We don't want to give up our free will, right?
It's so cool because Neville really, really touched on something amazing with this because, sometimes the mind just races. And if it's not given direction, it just goes on its own jungle, of creating chaos, remembering like the worst things possible. It was triggered by something. You saw somebody that looked like somebody you knew, or you saw like a circumstance, and you actually can reimagine. And I know it sounds so silly at first. You're like, what is Neville talking about? So he's just telling us to use our wonderful imagination, which essentially is just our awareness, right? Because all is one. And where you put your awareness is what you get to experience moving forward. So he's like, use your wonderful imagination to reimagine. And oh my God, have I seen results not only emotionally in the present moment, but also moving forward in my life. It's so amazing.
Oh my god, yes. Sheer power, really ridiculous. You go from a bad day to a good day instantly. You go from what you think you have no control of, you have control. You feel you
Mhm.
take from a victim, you feel like you're empowered. You are truly a creator. And it's simply by looking at things differently, changing the way you see things, changing it to the way you prefer and hearing them the way you want them to tell you what you want really is sheer power. Sheer power. It is crazy. I mean, really, instead of going through arguments in your head, you're getting peace in your head, you're making peace. Can you imagine going from arguments to peace? Arguments to peace? How is that possible? How? How do we do this? Like, what's the
Yeah.
secret sauce?
Yeah. And you really are replacing the past. And the funny thing is that, like, the past doesn't really technically exist. So it's all here and now, which is one of the most freeing and liberating understandings you can give yourself.
It is your savior. It is the truth. The truth will set you free, and it's understanding how to do it. The question is how to do it, how to understand who are you, and who you
Yeah.
truly are, and realizing tapping into who you truly are is the key, is the master key to sheer power, to realizing that you're the power, you're the creator, and you could literally
Yeah.
change reality overnight because reality is just we're giving it anyway.
But if you still have these memories, and I love the way Mitch explains it, he says, like, if a memory that is uncomfortable and unpreferred keeps coming you and haunting you, it's
Mhm.
because it's coming to you to be purified so that it can be healed. So there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with you. Like I too used to be really hard on myself, like, oh, what's wrong with me? Why am I still thinking about this? I can't run away from my thoughts. But It's recognizing, remembering, and realizing that you're not your thoughts and you can observe the thoughts. To purify them, send yourself a lot of love, send your human love, send the situation love, and revise it. And we are actually so excited because we are hosting a revision workshop. There's so many questions online, and I know Mitch and I have experienced this thoroughly. We've been practicing it for so long. We also have a guest coach with us, which is going to be Robert from Pinnacle Group, and we're all gonna do this for completely free, and
Yeah,
this
it's
is so
gonna be a lot
exciting.
of fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's gonna change your life overnight, literally overnight, understanding that what you're really gonna understand is there is no conditional fulfillment. It's unconditional, and you're gonna learn how to have unconditional fulfillment. You're gonna realize how it's sheer power going from conditional, waiting for that apology, to the apology is done. And it's literally gonna change your life overnight because you're gonna experience what I call the chocolate, and you're gonna realize that you can have that chocolate anytime you want. And it is so satisfying and so peaceful, so relaxing, so calm, and you realize, "Oh my god, what was I doing all of my life dealing with this drama?" The drama was really to compel you to have unconditional fulfillment. So, gonna be a lot of fun in the
Yeah.
seminar.
Yeah, guys, so invite whoever you want. It's gonna be June 9th. It's this Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. This revision webinar is for everybody. We're gonna cover different topics because there's always different categories of your life that can be enhanced, right? And we're gonna explain what it is, we're gonna explain what it's not, and also we're gonna go through a walkthrough, like a meditation at the end. So you have the tools that you can then do yourself. You can calm down your body, you can talk yourself through it, and you become like your own empowered self. And it's really transformative. And we look forward to answering your questions and giving you empowerment for all those specific scenarios that are ready to be purified in your life.
Yes, once you go through a taste of this webinar, you'll no longer question yourself as to how do I do this? How do I make peace? How do I figure this out? There is no more figuring it out. It's instantaneous. It's a whole transformative way to think, feel, and act who you truly are. And I think this is going to be one of the best experiences you'll ever have learning about yourself because there's only you to change. So, looking really forward to this webinar. It's going to be one of the best we've ever done. And we'll see you there soon, right, Steph?
We'll see you guys there. Click on the link. We love you so much, and we wish you the most beautiful weekend ever.
Bye.
Bye.